Welcome to part 3 of a 6-part series in which we're reviewing for your midterm exam. This particular page, the third page and third part of the review, starts with the skin. Recall that in the epidermis there are 4 layers. These layers are going from superficial to deep, the stratum corneum, the granulosum, the spinosum, and the basale layer. You should know that in the corneum, this is where the keratin has taken over, completely filled the cells, and gives this layer its thickness, its strength, and that, again, this is the dead layer, if you recall. The granulosum is for waterproofing. The spinosum functions in immunity via our Pac-Man or Langerhans cell, if you recall, and the basal is where the M's hang out. So if you recall, this was mitosis and melanocytes. Next here, burn severity is discussed. You have 3 degrees of burn severity, first, second, and third. In the first degree burn, there is redness, there is pain, there is no swelling. Second degree burns are similar in that there is redness, there are pain. Recall that swelling usually forms a blister. In a third degree burn, recall the main difference is there's no pain at first. Since the dermis is completely burned through, and the nerves as well are dead or damaged severely. The rule of 9s. Here's our Pillsbury Doughboy. These percentages that I'm writing are for anterior and posterior. Keep that in mind, anterior and posterior. 9% for the head, 9% for the right arm, 9% for the left arm, 36% for the chest, torso, abdomen, and the back, 18% for the right leg, and 18% for the left. For skin cancer, you should know your A, B, C, D rules of mole analysis. A is for asymmetry, meaning a mole that is not even on both sides. So a mole that on the left side looks like this, but on the right side looks like that, is very asymmetric. B is for border. Is the border clean or is it raised and fuzzy? C is for color. Changes in color are problematic. And D is for diameter. Any mole greater than 6 millimeters. Tree mentions about the width of a pencil eraser is large enough to merit further examination. I know on your particular paper, maybe we'll squeeze it in here. The first bullet there is osteoblasts and osteoclasts. And what you should remember is this is the bone builder, and this is the bone breaker. The osteoblast puts calcium into the bone. That's not a cat, by the way. That's calcium 2+, which of course all you chemists know. The osteoclasts take calcium out of the bone.